Will you love a river? Fight to save a river's life? Will you talk and deliver? Do the work that makes the fight. Stand your watch at the State House before they pass some law. Before that drains the river's essence, callous to what's in store. From the spring that feeds Lake Santa Fe to the spring south of her river rise, 900,000 acres, this watershed is so alive. Cotton Morlock on the harp. Will you stop the greed that sells the water for purely private gain? Will you fight to save the precious springs from the pirates of the rain? Will you walk the banks and bag the trash, repair the human damage done? See her as a living river, the Santa Fe, and we are one. From the springs that feed Lake Santa Fe to the springs south of her river rise, 900,000 acres, this watershed is so alive. Come on. From the springs that feed Lake Santa Fe to the springs south of her river rise, 900,000 acres, this watershed must survive. Will you stand to love this river? Will you fight to save this river's life? Will you talk and then deliver? Do the work that makes the fight. Stand your watch at the State House before they pass some law that drains the river's essence, callous to what's in store. From her spring that feeds Lake Santa Fe to the spring south of her river rise, 900,000 acres, this watershed is so alive. The Santa Fe must survive. Thank you very much.